Hello everyone, and welcome back to Learn with Confidence, your one-stop channel for speaking English fluently and naturally. In today's video, we'll teach you how to ask and answer common questions, just like a native speaker. These phrases will help you sound confident and natural in everyday conversations. Let's dive right in. 1. What's your name? This is one of the first questions in any conversation. You ask, "What's your name?" Answer like a native. "I'm Emily. Nice to meet you." Response: "Nice to meet you too." 2. How are you? A classic question that everyone uses. You ask, "How are you?" Answer like a native. "I'm good, thanks. How about you?" Response: "I'm doing great, thank you." 3. Where are you from? Perfect for starting small talk. You ask, "Where are you from?" Answer like a native. "I'm from Chicago. What about you?" Response: "I'm from Los Angeles." 4. What do you do for work? This is a great way to learn more about someone. You ask, "What do you do for work?" Answer like a native. "I'm an accountant." What about you? Responds, "I work in marketing." 5. Do you have any hobbies? A fun and friendly question. You ask, "Do you have any hobbies?" Answer like a native. "Yes, I love cooking and painting. How about you?" Response: "I enjoy reading and playing guitar." 6. What's your favorite food? Everyone loves to talk about food. You ask, "What's your favorite food?" Answer like a native. "I love sushi. What about you?" Response: "Pizza is my favorite." 7. Can you help me? This is a polite way to ask for assistance. You ask, "Can you help me, please?" Answer like a native. "Sure, what do you need?" Response: "Thank you so much." 8. What time is it? An easy way to ask about the time. You ask, "What time is it?" Answer like a native. "It's 3:30 p.m. Response: "Thanks, I really appreciate it." 9. How much does this cost? Perfect for shopping situations. You ask, "How much does this cost?" Answer like a native. "It's $15. Do you want to buy it?" Response: "Yes, I'll take it. Thank you." 10. Do you speak another language? This is a great way to connect with people. You ask, "Do you speak another language?" Answer like a native. "Yes, I speak French. How about you?" Response: "I speak Spanish." And that's it for today's lesson on asking and answering common questions like a native speaker. Practice these phrases every day, and you'll sound more confident and natural in no time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on mastering English. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy learning.